Claro, me there Tesla, one of them service center. Yo, Tesla have one of it, me don't know. Me never know, so I saw them thing are the worst to blood clean. You want parts, you have to come at them blood clot clean.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's question I'm going to ask, does Tesla Service Center make sense? It's a valid question. Now I have here a video from another customer who was very much agitated by the process he had to go through in order to get his car serviced by Tesla. Now, let's see and judge for yourself.
Claro, me there Tesla, one of them service center. Yo, Tesla have one of it, me don't know. Me never know, so I saw them thing are the worst to blood clean. You want parts, you have to come at them blood clot clean.
Well, please bear in mind, this is a Jamaican, so the accent is deep, the language is deep, the culture is deep. If you listen very keenly, then you'll understand exactly what he's going through, but I'll try my best to interpret as much as possible.
Because you call and you can't get through. I'm coming here yesterday, the people want to tell me so I need a copy of the title.
So he called that he couldn't get through to their system because no one is answering the phone, and when he did, they told him that he had to get the paperwork for the car.
I need this, I need that in order for register, in order to get one blood clot part. Yo, just set up on some blood clot fucker, you know. Big and serious.
Well, those are the famous Jamaican curse words right there, but it's just like dropping the F-bombs, but let's continue. It's quite short.
Yeah. Oh, tell me I have to wait a month to get all parts and all them something.
Again, let me emphasize, you can only retain customers by building customer relationships. And in my opinion, Tesla is all about the numbers. Now, they're all about maximizing sales. Build as many cars as possible, push them out because there is a high demand for EVs right now, and they are killing it. No doubt about it. However, based on the experiences I've seen so far, it's all about maximizing their sales. It's all about, I have a product, you want it, there's a high demand, this is the price. You buy it, I'm done with you. I'm off to the next customer. Fixing it and maintain it, that's your problem. That is the mindset of a small dealer trader. That is how they function. They don't have a service center for themselves, so they'll sell you the car and you know exactly where to go to have it serviced, because more than likely you'll have your own mechanic or garage that will take that car to. Tesla, on the other hand, has its own service centers because Tesla does not have a dealership network. What they have are galleries and service centers. That's just about it. In my opinion, in order for them to be really successful, they have to go franchising. Get the people with the experience to build the business, build it from the back end, because that is how you build your absorption rate. The typical automotive operation consists of sales operations, parts and service, and then there is administration. Even your local mechanic, in my opinion, has a better customer service process. Now, he'll provide an inspection, he'll provide it with a quote of what is needed in terms of parts and service. You can either go and purchase those parts for yourself, or he can also provide those parts, whether you want OEM or aftermarket part. The choice is always going to be yours. Then at least you'll get the opportunity to haggle over the price once the work is done. Tesla is about 10 years old. They're nice cars on the outside. Based on what I'm seeing, the performances, I've driven one, but I will rather wait for more competition to be out there. So I want you to think about it before you go ahead and take out your life savings in order to look cool, and because the government is trying to bully us in switching over to EV much sooner or later. So what are your thoughts? Please leave your comments below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.